choices for hair replacement these days is microsurgery, which is what most people have and is available all over the world, or the Choi Implanter, which is a much more specialized treatment, which is available in Greece, and we specialize with it here in Athens. The Choi procedure allows a surgeon to use a needle to get the hairs a lot closer together than can be achieved with the microsurgery. The sort of volume you can achieve with the Choi Implanter is far greater than can be achieved with microsurgery. We can generally go from somebody's front hairline through to a crown area with the average size head in one session. We can transplant up to 6,000 hairs in one session. It would take 2 or 3 visits at 6 monthly intervals to get anywhere near that density with microsurgery. Because we have many years of experience, we give an excellent service, excellent value for money, and we have completely or virtually completely eradicated post-operative swelling. This is the swelling that drops into the front forehead, into the eyes, sometimes into the cheeks, and can last for 4 or 5 days after a procedure. The reason that we've eradicated it is because our surgeon and his team work straight through a procedure rather than stopping for breaks. Therefore, they minimize the use of anesthetics, and anesthetic is what causes the post-operative swelling.